been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna.
Hey everyone, so we are on the way to Piha Beach, which is a very famous beach here in New Zealand, or one of the famous beaches in New Zealand. It is on the western coast. Sorry, got to do the whole never eat silkworms thing in my head. And yeah, it's actually got black sand. So in the distance over there is Auckland, and it's a really good view. So I'll zoom in so you guys can have a look at it. But it's really cool. The scenery is absolutely exquisite. These are the sort of roads in New Zealand, and everybody's got a ute, so it's pretty standard. Yeah, check it out.
We came to party all night long. Let's sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
Alrighty, so we're on Piha Beach. The sand is in fact black and really hot. So all of us have got our jandals on, or thongs if you're in Australia, or sandals in the UK, and slops in South Africa. So call them what you will. But yeah, this beach is pretty cool, really scenic. And yeah, we'll do a couple of nice B-rolls of this beach, but this beautiful turquoise blue ocean. Check this out. Enjoy.
Can we just appreciate this glass?
Oh yeah, little man is really enjoying it. And that's how hot it is. Even the surfers are running off of the sand.